Hi guys, thought we'd try something a little bit different with this 3D printing these laser cut kits, where I have to modify the picture, the diagram, the image, so that I can 3D print it instead of laser cut it. This is a car, an old jalopy style car. Maybe even a Model T, I suppose, something like that. No idea if it's going to work. Certainly looking at some of those slots as they should be. I don't think they're going to match. Well, there's one way to find out, isn't there? I'll get all this lot off the bed and we'll try and put them together. Well, this is a real task to try and get these bits to fit, because they haven't printed with the right gaps on them. In fact, I'll probably do a second print. But in the meantime, you can see all these little white bits. I'm trimming all the pegs, or whatever you want to call these castellated bits, to try and make them fit anyway, so we can get a working car out of this lot. But I think I'll print it again. I'm making progress, but it is very slow work, so I'm having to trim each of those little bits to make them fit. A little bit more. Slow progress. And lots of little bits I'm having to trim. Still not quite finished. A few trim bits to go. They go up here. It's the mud guards, or whatever you call that bit. And then those little circle bits go on the outside of the wheels to stop the wheels falling off. But I'm going to call it a night. It's 1:30, so I think that'll do. Come back tomorrow. All finished. Not perfect. I've had to take quite a few liberties trimming some of the slots and shapes to help them fit, because I printed it the wrong size. I've actually reprinted it now. I've edited the picture a little bit and reprinted it, so I might do another video with the new version. Hopefully it'll go together a bit better. We'll see. Yeah, I think you can see just there, there's a bit of a gap. Bit of a gap at the back here. There's some fun detail in it. I mean, it has got a seat inside, and a steering wheel, and headlights. And it's got sort of slots up there to indicate the cooling for the engine. And underneath, it's even got the prop shaft, or drive shaft. So yeah, rather nice. I'm sure it'd be very nice laser cut from wood, the original size. That'll do. Anyway, job done. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.